Hi Otters, I'm Cecilia with the Technology Help Desk, and these are your tech tips for Tuesday, courtesy of the Division of Information Technology here at Cal State Monterey Bay. At some point, you are probably going to need to use one of the computer labs on campus, whether you have class in one or if you are needing to use specific software that is available in the labs. Here are some tips and tricks for working in CSUMB computer labs. While working in the labs, it's important to realize that other Otters are working as well. If you need to watch videos or listen to podcasts, please use headphones. It's also considerate to silence your phone, and if you need to take a call, please walk outside. Everyone appreciates a considerate Otter. When you are in the lab, make sure that you do not eat or drink around the computers. If you have a beverage with you, make sure that it is sealed and not near the computer or any electrical equipment in the lab. Spills often damage computers and keyboards, making the system unusable for the next Otter needing to get work done. If your computer seems to be missing software, check the self-service portal to see if it's available for download. To do this in a Windows lab, go to the Start menu and select the Ivanti folder and select Portal Manager. On a Mac computer, search for the app Self-Service. If the missing software is not available for download or you experience another issue with a computer in the lab, submit a ticket so we can work on getting the system back up and running as soon as we can. We do monitor and check the labs, but giving us a heads up is always appreciated. Please refrain from unplugging the computer equipment in the labs, even if it's not working. Computers must remain plugged into the power so they can receive critical updates. Also, if the computer has a problem, we will try to remote into the computer to fix it, and it must be on for us to do that. And finally, before you leave the lab, please do two things. First, make sure that you save any work you've done to your CSUMB Google Drive account or another cloud storage system of preference. You cannot expect any work you've done on the computer to stay on that computer. Secondly, instead of logging out of the lab computer, restart it. By restarting it, you're leaving a completely refreshed system for the next student because all of your work and data will be removed after a restart. This gives you peace of mind that any work you did on the computer has been erased. Thank you for watching our Tech Tip Tuesday for this week. You can also visit us on the web at csumb.edu/IT or follow us on social media on Twitter and Instagram at CSUMB_IT. Feel free to send us your suggestions for future topics via our social media. See you next week, Otters.